Hi guys, so today I just got a pre-loved Alma BB in monogram canvas, and this is what she looks like when she arrived. She needs a little tender loving care, and I'm trying to clean her up a little bit and see how it goes. This is it. This is the side. It is made in France, and the bottom needs a little cleaning. As you can see, watermark over here, but I think the canvas is in good condition. And let's see the inside. The inside is okay. And this is what the strap looks like. So obviously it has been used, and it shows even patina, but what I'm trying to do is I'm going to work on the bottom, and I'm just gonna use this baby wipes, non-perfume, no alcohol. Basically you can just use any brand as long as there's no alcohol and there's no scent on it. Let me try from the bottom here and just do a circular motion to get rid of that dirt. Don't worry about the vachettas being a bit darker. It will go away. Let's see the first layer. Me to hold it. Make sure it's the same all over, so it will be even later. So that is from one side. It doesn't show a lot of dirt, so that's what it looks like. And this is the one I haven't touched. Next, just get a white cloth and absorb the water, the excess water. So that is after my first layer of cleaning, and this is before. Okay, next, before I do this, I want to do the bottom, so you can see a comparison later with the before and the after I let it dry a little bit. Okay, so this is what the bottom looks like. Let me try it from here. Starts from here. because I got this pre-loved, I cannot do it do the cleaning as soon as it happened, as soon as the stain happened. But I think the best way to clean a vachetta is when you accidentally spill something. It's better to quickly do this as soon as possible, so that they will leave no mark. So basically this is what I do, just clean up the sides that needs cleaning. I just leave this and this, obviously, because this is the feet, so I don't need to clean as much as this one, and it looks still okay, so I don't just clean this one up. Obviously this is the most visible mark, so I want to get that evenly, so when it dry up, hopefully the mark is not as visible as before. And again, just get a white cloth and wipe the excess water. So just let it dry a little, just let it dry a little bit. And so this is the part where I already cleaned, and this is the part where I haven't done anything. Okay, that's after, and that is before. You can see some uneven color here. This is before, and this is after. Now I'm gonna do this one again, this part now, and this one. Next step, the other side. I'm going to clean this side. The same process as before, just rub in a circular motion, make sure everything covered. Don't worry about getting it to the canvas, because we're going to clean the canvas after this anyway, and the canvas is already waterproof, so don't worry about the canvas. So I just finished the other side. Now let's compare to the first one that I did. See, it's starting to dry up, and this one is the one I just cleaned. And if we see the bottom, you can see this is the darkest part because I put too much I think too much water in here, and I still can see some marks in here. So I'm going to do one more layer of cleaning one more time, so I want to make sure this is even. Okay. So this is what it looks like after the second time cleaning. After the second layers, it get darker again, but don't worry, it will eventually go lighter, and hopefully when it dries up, it will be even. There's not no more two visible marks here and here. Hopefully, just let's see. Now I'm going to leave it for a moment, and I'm going to try to clean this one. Okay, just put this on the side first. Get more baby wipes. I've been using a lot of baby wipes because I wanted to I want the water to make all the marks even. So sorry. So this is the cloche before, and I'm going to try to rub in. Maybe it's a bit difficult because there is the hard part of the key inside, because this is actually a key inside, so this metal is on top here causing this. But it's okay, let me just try to clean it. See, I can see the marks over here because that's where the key sits. So this is how the cloche look like. Of course there will be like the marks over here because that's where the key actually is. If you want it flat, then you might want to take this out, but then again you have this knot, so the knot will stay here. So this is kind of inevitable, but let's see what happens after cleaning this. I think the shape will not change, but let's see if we can erase a bit of the marks. Okay, can still see here. Okay, while waiting for this to dry, I am going to clean I'm going to clean the canvas now. So this is what it looks like now. It's a bit better. So both sides has been cleaned, and this is the bottom starting to dry, but of course not completely. But I'm going to clean the canvas now. Okay, so just wipe the canvas. You can see some dirt coming off. You can actually just leave it like this until it dry, but I usually just wipe it with cloth to make sure to get rid of the excess water. So this is after I clean up, and this is before. So I'm gonna do the other side now exactly the same way. Just clean the whole canvas and wipe with the white cloth. Okay, so this is the canvas after I clean it. Oops, so I cleaned both canvas and some dirt came up from here, so like this. Okay, next I'm thinking whether I want to do this I think I should. As you can see, there is mark, like slight watermark in here and in here. Let's just try to clean this one. The same way as before. So just do a circular motion. And you need a little bit of strength so that the water actually goes into the leather and makes it even. So this is after I did 4 of this. Just wait until it's dry. Now I want to do the handle. So the handle actually still quite okay. There's just a bit of marks here and a bit of marks over here. Let's see if we can get this even. Okay, on a second thought, I'm just gonna leave the handle as it is so that I can compare with the one that I haven't cleaned and the one that I've been cleaning. So I want to see how it looks like. I want to see the difference. So for now, I'm just gonna leave the handle as it is and see. So far, this is what the ending result is before it completely dry. So you still can see some darkening here and there. Also the bottom, this is the one with the most mark, the watermark. See what happens after it's completely dry. Okay guys, so this is the day after I clean my Alma BB. So this has been waiting for a day, and this is how it turns out. And at the bottom I still can see the marks, but it's not as obvious as when I got them, so I think that's okay. I did 2 times of cleaning with the same method, and the mark is still a bit visible because I got this pre-loved and I don't know how long this mark has been there. So my advice to you is, if you have some watermark in your vachetta leather, I recommend you to immediately do the process that I just did, so it will even out the marks as soon as the marks there. With this one, I think it's been there for quite a long time, as the bag is made in 2015 and now 2021. I'm not sure when that mark happened. So as for the handle, I haven't done anything at all with the handle, so as you can see, it's pretty much still okay. So that's it guys. I hope this video helps you in any way. If you have any comment, please leave the comments down below. I would like to hear from you. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.